Hi chefs, so today we're going to be doing the classic American beef burger, but I'm going to put it bang on trend and we're going to add some Korean influences to it. We're going to do some nice kimchi, we're going to put some Korean spices into the actual beef burger, so it's actually going to be a Bulgogi beef burger with kimchi slaw and halloumi fries. So let's get cooking. Okay, so to make the burger, what we need about 500 grams of chuck steak mince, 300 grams of a high-fat steak mince that we're going to mix together. So we're going to take 180 grams of red onion, which we're going to peel, and then we're going to finely dice. We'll also take 80 grams of ginger, take away the skin, finely grate it down with 3 cloves of garlic. For the marinade, we're going to use some soy sauce, sesame oil, fish sauce, some rice wine vinegar, half a tablespoon of Korean chili paste. We'll fry off the onions, the garlic and the ginger. Once they're soft, add in the marinade and reduce down by half. And then this mix then will be ready to be placed into the burger mix. Also take half a pear that we're going to grate into the mix. Seasoning, salt and pepper. Chop up some fresh coriander. Put it into a KitchenAid with a paddle for about 2 minutes to bind it all together. So we're going to weigh out 200 gram balls of the patties, shape them, place them onto a tray and then refrigerate for 2 hours. For the kimchi slaw, we're going to take about 300 grams of Chinese cabbage, half a white onion thinly sliced. We're going to take 1 carrot that we're going to peel and we're going to grate into the cabbage as well. 3 cloves of garlic which we're going to peel and finely chop. About 85 grams of ginger, again peeled and then finely grated. 1 fresh lime, which we're going to take the juice and the zest. And then to maximise the juice, we're going to just sort of push the lime inside out and just make sure you don't get any pips into there. 5 to 10 grams of fresh coriander, which we're going to finely chop and then place into the mix as well. We'll put 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of the Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce and some sugar and salt into the mix. And we're going to marinate this mix together, give it a good old mix and really get those flavours in there. And then we're going to place it into a kilner jar and leave it for at least 2 hours in this kilner jar, and it can be kept up to 2 weeks. So for the halloumi fries, we're going to take 2 packets of halloumi, about 500 grams, and we're going to cut them into chips. Again, whatever size that you feel that you want your chips to be, into a bowl with corn flour and seasoning, and then just place them into the fryer so they get nice, golden and crispy. Drain the fries off into a bowl to get rid of any excess oil. Season them up with some sea salt or table salt, and then they're ready to go. All I'm going to do is pan fry for about 8 to 14 minutes on about a medium to high heat, obviously depending on the thickness of your burgers. Once the burgers are nearly there, we're going to put some smoked cheese on the top just to finish off and melt down, ready to serve. For the burger sauce is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha that we mix together, a couple of gherkins onto a couple of cocktail sticks ready to poke into the burgers. Now we have all the components finished, we're ready to assemble the burger and serve this awesome dish. So there you have it, chefs, an epic Korean-inspired American cheeseburger with halloumi fries and a side of kimchi slaw. For all the recipes and the equipment that's been used today, please follow the link in the description below.